Okay, so here is my architectural fun piece, but it's been in storage for, gosh, 3 years, 2 years, something like that. So it, as you can see, is very dusty. And I bought this stuff, Color Coral, from Amazon, and it's used for like cleaning keyboards of your computer. And I'm like, what's a Lego but a super tiny keyboard? So we're gonna see. I already cleaned this part, which it didn't quite get into the nooks and crannies, but I don't think I let it sit long enough for it to do that. But I thought I'm going to take, it's a blob of snot looking stuff, and I'm going to have this blob sit on top of the roof for a moment and spread it out. And I'm going to leave it there for about, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 seconds, something like that, so that it kind of relaxes onto the surface of the roof. It looks like a really, really bad movie right now. So this is my Lego version of architectural plans we had done of a house, our house renovation. So our current house looks kind of like this area, and then the addition will be this area. And I need to fix a lot of the stuff that's been kind of thrown off kilter over the years it's been in storage and played with by my son, who was a little baby when I made it, and now not so much. All right, so let's see. It's kind of oozed a little bit. And as I pull it off, let's see. You can see some of the dirt, but it is pretty obvious where I put it compared to the areas that have not been slimed. So that is really interesting. I think if I leave it sit for maybe 5 minutes instead, and then see what happens, I think we'll have a little bit better results. But you can tell kind of by the darker area that it's the black is showing a lot better. All right.